Good morning, you guys. It's Monday today? It's the 5th. I am back with another vlog, and I'm actually in my workout clothes. I woke up kind of early-ish. I woke up at 9, so pretty good for me. And I changed, and now I'm gonna go to the gym because you guys know I've been trying to get back into health and fitness. This vlog is gonna be like living like that girl today. So let me just show you guys my outfit. So don't mind how messy my room is. I'm still unpacking. I just got back yesterday, but this is the gym. TD. I'm gonna throw on this jacket though because it's kind of cold outside here, so throw this on and apply some deodorant. Oh, my cucumber deodorant. For my body mist, I'm going to just use Coastal Hydrangeas. So just a really light spritz because I don't want to give anyone a headache or anything like that. I just want to smell a little fresh. So this is the outfit, and we're gonna go to the gym now, and I'm gonna vlog on my phone.
Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Let me do what I do best. Slow down, let me talk to you. Don't tell me about your worries, I ain't staying till the afternoon. I liked you in proximity, but now they're so far from the truth. I loved you from a distance.
Back from Trader Joe's. I will do a full haul when I get home with my other camera, but they did not have the little Brazilian nut butter thing. They only had the coconut one, and I just don't need any more coconut, as you guys know. I wanted to try the Suja celery juice. I saw one of my favorite lifestyle YouTubers drink this, Keaton, and I was like, I want to be like her. So hopefully it's good. Honestly, you guys, not that bad. The aftertaste is a little strong, but I like that it has lemon in here. But the aftertaste is like straight up celery stalk, so I would rate this a 6 out of 10. Not terrible, but again, it's just for like healthiness. So maybe that'll help me detox. But now I'm gonna go to Daiso because it's right next door, and I really want more stationery items. So yeah, I'm at Daiso. Look at all the cute stuff they have. So much music here. They have these cute little face masks. I want them so bad, so I'm gonna get these. But here's a little look. It's like a Japanese dollar store, or like dollar and above store. Back home, and I thought I would share with you guys everything that I got. It's nothing too exciting, but you know. Okay, so these things are from Target that I went to Target a few days ago. I got another calendar. I'm just like, obsessed. I want to like be super organized. And then I got this planner. It's a daily planner though, so I figured it would be good and helpful for me to just stay on track with my life. Sorry about that. And then from Daiso, I picked up these Colorelli pens. I got 2 masks. These are so cute. It has little bears and posts on them. And this one with little characters. They come in a pack of 4, so probably save these for New York because they're cute. And then I also got some plastic forks because I don't have any silverware with me right now. And then from Trader Joe's, got some Just Mango slices. And then I got one of them with the chili lime because I love chili lime seasoning. Speaking of chili lime seasoning, I bought a chili lime seasoning because I love this stuff so much. Got my sister's dog some treats since they're coming today, and I know that they love these, so I just picked this up for them. And got my celery juice. You guys saw, honestly, would not repurchase the aftertaste is disgusting. And I'm gonna eat this right now. This is a crunchy slaw with chicken salad. And one last thing, I picked up some little face shavers. So yeah, I needed some more of these, so I'm gonna use those probably tonight or tomorrow. I think I'm gonna eat my salad and then watch some shows. I've been addicted to Dance Moms again. I love Dance Moms, so I'm gonna watch that and then probably shower, get ready, and then my sister should be here. So I'll probably see you guys when I'm all done getting ready. So I just did my makeup and it's a little while later, but I thought it would be fun to show you guys the fragrances and products that I'm going to be giving to my sister, just because I have so much stuff and I know she would like. I'm pretty sure she's gonna like all of these. So I'm gonna give her Champagne Toast because I never use this. I don't know, I'm just tired of it. I'm also gonna give her Dahlia, and I don't know if she's gonna love that one, but we'll see. Saltwater Breeze, I know she really wanted, so I'm just gonna give her this because I already have the perfume version, so no point in having both. And then I really do love this one. This is Perfect Peony, but I know she really wants it, so I'm just gonna give it to her. I have a bunch of fragrances. Yeah, she'll love this one. And then Cactus Blossom, because I never use this. I think it's okay. Someone asked me on Instagram and DM'd me and asked me what I thought of this fragrance. I think it's nice. I think it's pretty, but I never gravitate towards it, so yeah. And then I'm just going to give her a couple of hygiene products. So the Tree Hut Island Bliss Foaming Body Wash, the Dove Nourishing Secrets spray deodorant, because I don't really use that one too much. And then this is the Bath & Body Works Aromatherapy Stress Relief little, what is it called? Body cream, because I haven't used it and I just need to get rid of some stuff. I might also give her Rose. I might go ahead and give her Rose too if she likes it. So let me just show you guys. Okay, so here is everything that I'm giving her. She doesn't like a lot of clutter, so hopefully she'll take them all. So we have 6 body mists, and I think she's gonna like almost all of them except maybe Dahlia and Rose. I don't know if she loves florals too much, so we will see. And then of course our little hygiene products. I think I might look at some of my other stuff and see if I can give her anything that I know she would like, but this is everything. I know it's not much, but she said she didn't want like a bunch of them, so yeah. I'm gonna just put them in this little airy bag for her so that it's easy to carry, and hopefully she'll enjoy them. We will get her reaction. I already told her that like I'm giving her some stuff. She asked if there's anything that I have that I don't use as much that she can have. So of course your girl is Body Mist Queen and has a bunch of stuff. My leg is itching. But yeah, I'm also need to pack some other stuff because I'm going to be staying with my sister at the hotel that she has. She got 2 beds, so I'm just going to be hanging out with her. And yeah, we should pick out my scent of the day. Excuse me. I put on Endless Weekend as I got out of the shower. I actually really like this scent, and I heard they reformulated it, so here is my body mist of the day, if this will focus. Let's see. There we go. It's focused. Yeah, that is it. I'm just waiting for her to come now. She should be here in about 2 hours, so I'll probably fix my hair a little bit because we'll probably go out to dinner, and I'll talk to you guys then. I'm finally with the doggies. Tofu? She wants my chips. Should we give her one? I know they're not good for her, but just a small piece. But this is our hotel room. The view. The other dog. No, that's not the view. But yes, we are in the hotel. Why is this not happening? But come here, Tofu. Come here. Sit. Sit down. Right here. But yeah, this is a pretty nice hotel, and my sister's vlogging too, so go check out her channel. It is the next day, and I totally forgot to vlog, so I'm gonna end off yesterday's vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next. Bye!